Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin. So students, today's topic is my body. You will be understanding all kinds of things about your body. Now let's start. Do you get ready for school by yourself? Try to match the school dress with the correct body part. तो आप खुद तैयार होते हैं या आपके पेरेंट्स तैयार करते हैं, रिस्पेक्टिव आपको एटलीस्ट ये तो पता होना चाहिए कि आपका कौन सा क्लोथ कौन से बॉडी पार्ट के लिए एसोसिएटेड है. Like you have here a pant आप legs में डालते हैं, then you have a shirt वो आपकी upper body में आता है, then you have shoes which you wear on your feet and then you have tie जो आप अपने collar के पास पहनते हैं. So our body has many parts just like a machine and each part of our body has a different name. तो जैसे मशीन के बहुत सारे parts होते हैं, likewise हमारी body में भी बहुत सारे parts हैं and we are going to study about them. About body parts. Now let us know the names of our various body parts. So these are all your body parts like your ear, your head, your eye, chest, hand, thumb, elbow, fingers, then lower part में you have your thigh, foot, leg, knee and toe. These are all your different body parts which ultimately help you to do a lot of things, like you write because of your hands and your fingers, you see because of your eyes, you listen through your ears, and then you walk because you have beautiful little legs. So all these body parts ultimately help you to do a lot of activities that we do on our daily basis. Now good to know, the parts found on the outside of your body are called the external body parts. जितने भी body parts आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं that are visible at the outside of your body are your external body parts. Now our body parts helps us. कौन सा body part क्या करने में help करता है? Let's see. So our body parts are important. Each part of our body does some work. Like, look at these pictures. They show what our legs and feet do. Like we stand, we kick, we walk. So all of these activities, we are standing or we are kicking something or we are walking. कौन सा part help करता है? Legs. Likewise, अलग अलग body part अलग अलग चीज करने में help करता है. Like jumping, running, skipping ये आप legs से करते हैं. Then these pictures show what our arms, hands and fingers do. Like we eat using our hands, we write using our hand and fingers, we hold something using our fingers, we push something whenever we have to push something हम अपने हाथों का use करते हैं. Then we comb, throw, paint and draw also using our hands, fingers and entire elbow. Now we should take care of the different parts of our body to keep them in good condition. So ताकि आपके body parts properly function करते रहें, हमेशा ऐसे ही function करते रहें, we have to take good care of our body parts. Now let's take a test. List the activities that you do using both your hands and feet. दोनों अपने hands और feet का use करते हुए आप कौन सी 4 activities करते हैं. अभी हमने बहुत सारी पढ़ी हैं, उनमें से कोई भी 4 activities you have to pick and you have to write down here. Now let's revise. Our body parts has many parts. Each part of our body has a different name. All our body parts are important as they help us in doing our work, and we use our hands and legs to do many activities. So we have studied about our body parts, which part help us in doing what kind of activities is what we have studied, and we have to take good care of our body parts. Now the practice time. Tick the correct answer. Number 1, our body parts helps us to do work, play, eat. ये सारे काम कर सकते हैं. So option number D, all of these. Second, if your hands are tied behind, you will not be able to hold books. Option number C. 3, if your legs are tied to a chair, you will not be able to walk. Option number C. Now write true or false. Every part of the body has a name. This is true. All body parts do the same work. This is false. We walk with our legs. Absolutely true. And we do many activities with our hands. This is also true. Now answer the following questions. Which part of the body do you use to throw a ball? तो कैसे होता है? हाथ से आप throw करते हैं. So we use our hands to throw a ball. Likewise, you have to answer rest of the questions. Now skills builder, rearrange the letters to the names of the body parts. Number 1, you will rearrange it and make ear, E-A-R, ear. Likewise, you have to rearrange rest of the body parts also. Then B, paste a picture of yourself in your scrapbook. Label all the body parts. अपनी picture, full body picture आपको अपनी scrapbook में paste करनी है और आपको अपने body parts को label करना है. Then C, given below are the pictures of some parts of the body. Circle the word that matches with the picture. So we have the first picture, it is of hand. तो आपको hand के ऊपर circle बना देना है. And likewise, you have to do the rest of the parts also. So likewise, same pattern में आपको बाकी के parts भी circle करने हैं. Now life skill. We should take care of our body parts by keeping them clean, eating healthy food and using them safely every day. So every day आपको अपने body parts को साफ सुथरा भी रखना है and you have to eat things that will make those body parts strong enough. So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.